Welcome to this Clickjack Hack review, the underground strategy that's helping complete beginners make money online with zero budget, zero experience, and zero followers. So, what is the Clickjack Hack? It's a simple system that legally lets you copy and paste seconds of viral videos from across the internet and plug them into a secret site that turns views into real, instant payments. The best part? You don't need to be on camera, you don't need followers, and you don't need any fancy software. This is as beginner-friendly as it gets. No face, no problem. No audience? Doesn't matter. No ad budget? You're good. Clickjack supplies the eyeballs for you. Here's how it works. Pick up the Clickjack Hack system. Grab trending content that's already going viral, paste it into the hidden payout portal, upload, get paid. You're leveraging what's already working without having to build a brand or show your face. The hidden payout site takes care of the monetization, traffic, and conversions for you. This isn't affiliate marketing, and it's not drop shipping. There's no selling, no follow-up, and no customer service. It's just quiet, repeatable profit. You can do this from anywhere in the world. No tech skills, no marketing background, just copy, paste, click upload, and cash out. Ready to start? Click the link in the description to get the Clickjack Hack now and turn today into your first payday.